Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove virus from Android phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you suspect you have a virus or any kind of malware on your Android, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, the very first step is we just need to go and open up the settings on your phone. You're then going to scroll down this page and go and click on Apps. Now, scroll down again until you see Chrome from the list and go and click on this. You'll then need to scroll down and click on Storage. In the bottom right-hand side, click on Clear Cache, and then once you've done that, click on Manage Storage, and then click on Clear Data. And then you can come back over to the previous window and just come back over to the main apps page like this. Now, what you'll need to do is scroll through this list of applications, and if you notice an app here that looks suspicious or you don't recognize, then what you'll need to do is go and uninstall that app. So let's say, for example, I wanted to uninstall this app. You can simply click on it, and then you can press the uninstall button at the bottom of this page and just go and press OK, and that will uninstall the app from your device. And just going through this entire list of apps and deleting anything that you don't recognize. Now, once you've done that, head back over to the home screen on your phone and we're going to open up the Files app. Now, if you're not sure where this is located, then you can always use the search box to go and type in Files and you can open up the app from here. We're then going to click on the Downloads folder, and this is a really common location that contains viruses and malware. So this is essentially all of the files that you've downloaded from the internet. So what you'll need to do is long press on the app, and you'll then need to click on All. And once you have everything selected, click on the Delete All button and just go ahead and delete all of these downloaded files. Now, once you've done that, head back over to the home screen on your phone and go and open up the Play Store. Click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side. You can then scroll down and click on Play Protect, and then click on this Scan button, and that's going to scan all of your apps for any potential viruses. You can see mine says No Harmful Apps Found. Now, there is one more final thing you need to do. So let's come back over to the Play Store. You can then click on the search box, and you'll need to go and search for an app called AVG, and click on this one here, AVG Antivirus and Security, and then just click on the blue Install button. Now, you'll need to wait a few moments while that installs to your device. Once it's finished, you can go and click on the blue Open button, and you can go through the steps to install the app. So I'm going to click on Get Started and just go and keep tapping on the screen to go through all of these steps. You'll then need to click on this Start Scan button and just select Continue with Ads. You'll then need to click on OK and make sure to allow permission. Come back over to the previous window, and this is now going to scan your device for any potential viruses or malware. And if anything's found, it's going to be detected in this tool here. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove virus from Android phone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.